If you're looking for the best multimeter on the market, then you should read this article. Here, we'll discuss the different types of multimeters available and help you choose the best one for your needs. We are fully aware of the daunting task that often accompanies looking for the best of the best multimeters. That is why I have undertaken the liberties to dig deep into the various datasheets, online reviews and various options to bring you the best. Furthermore, I periodically keep this blog post updated. All of this for you so that you do not need to do this yourself. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best multimeter from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fluke 1587 Insulation Multimeter. On the high end of the spectrum, the Fluke 1587 Insulation Multimeter is definitely one worth considering. It is a true RMS multimeter with the ability to measure the complete range of requirements. Be it from insulation resistance, current, voltage, capacitance, frequency, resistance and diode measurements, but to name a few. What really sets this multimeter apart is its overall ability to perform insulation tests on voltages from 50, 100 and various increments, all the way up to 1000 volts. This multimeter is also smart in that it ensures live circuit protection as you are measuring to keep the overall circuitry safe. Because of such specialized features, this multimeter is not cheap, but if you are after the real best of the best, it's a really solid option. With that being said, this professional-grade multimeter has a filtering functionality that helps distinguish AC and DC voltages and harmonics, especially when taking measurements of variable loads, such as motor drives and inverters. Number 2. UADL 429B Digital Clamp Meter. The UADL 429B Digital Clamp Meter is one of the high-quality options when it comes to clamp meters. This tool is designed for professionals. It's a true RMS clamp meter with a wide range of DC microamp measurement capabilities all the way up to 2000 MUA. It incorporates a large number of ergonomic features such as the ability to operate the entire tool hands-free. Technically, it is a world-class clamp meter with a wide range of AC-DC measurement capability and true RMS clamp meter capability. It also has a wide temperature range from -328 degrees to 2462 degrees Fahrenheit with a differential temperature probe measurement. As with all tools, this one isn't perfect, and there have been a number of mixed reviews with regards to the wireless capability and free app. With that being said, however, the auto-calibration and dual display functionality make this one of the best multimeters on the market. Number 3. Fluke 116 323 Multimeter and Clamp Meter Kit. The Fluke 116 323 Multimeter Kit is one of the best overall in the market today. It includes a robust multimeter with a great HVAC clamp meter that is built-in thermometer can measure true RMS current. In fact, the multimeter itself can also measure true RMS voltage and current, making it extremely useful in industrial-type applications. The DC and AC voltage can measure up to 600 V, and Fluke has taken great consideration in the makeup of their tool by ensuring that it is designed to prevent and minimize ghost readings. As with all other tools kits, this one is not perfect, and when measuring really low capacitance values, microfarads, the multimeter has been shown to return null. So be sure to consider this if your specific application requires this level of accuracy. With that being said, however, the HVAC clamp is capable of providing measurements all the way right down to microamps. The multimeter is also ergonomically designed with a large white LED backlight, making working in poorly lit spaces that much easier. Number 4. Klein Tools MM400 Multimeter. The Klein Tools MM400 Multimeter is a great tool that can provide for DC and AC voltages up to 600 volts. It's a compact multimeter and very lightweight, making it extremely simple to use for your typical D-er or even your more experienced electrical technician. As with many multimeters of its type, you can measure all the way up to 40 ohm in resistance, along with all the other typical multimeter measurements. This multimeter is not perfect, and one would wish it were a true RMS multimeter, due to its many exemplary features. However, it isn't, so keep that in mind. With that being said, this tool is designed and built to be able to withstand 3.3 foot, 1 meter drop, and is rated Cat 3 600 volts. Number 5. Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter. All the options within this guide are exceptional tools. However, for me the best has got to be the Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter. This tool has the capability of performing high-resolution measurements, and it can operate with a battery life of well over 400 hours. Fluke is also the world leader when it comes to multimeters, and the Fluke 117 is capable of being integrated with the optional Toolpack magnetic hanger, which allows operators to work completely hands. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.